Hello everyone, I'm Viviana, yo soy Viviana, and today I hope to help you with the Spanish alphabet. I will teach you letters, sounds, and examples. I'm sure this will be easy for you. Yes, let's get started. Comencemos.
The alphabet has 27 letters, but don't worry, because we will learn step by step. The first letter is A in English and is A in Spanish. A. For example, amor. This word is very important if you have a Spanish-speaking couple. You can say, you are my love. Tú eres mi amor. This is B. B. Like bar. This is the letter C. C. This letter has two sounds. This letter seems complicated, doesn't it? The truth is that it is very easy. Okay? The letter C can sound like an S or a K. When the next vowel of C is E or I, the C will sound like a S. And when the next vowel of C is A, O, or U, the C is going to sound like a K. Let's look at some examples. How does the letter C sound? Here, the letter C sounds like a K because next to the C is an A. Casa. Casa is house. Now the letter C sounds like a S because C is together E. Cereza. Cereza is cherry. Now you need to practice this. Cielo. Cielo is sky. Colombia. Colombia is my beautiful country. Cuaderno. Cuaderno is a notebook. Now this is the letter D. D. Doctor. E is a vowel. E. Elefante, elephant. F. F. Feo. Feo is ugly. Oh my god, the letter G has two sounds. G. But don't worry, this letter is also very easy, okay? The letter G may sound like a normal G or an American H. When the next vowel of G is an A, O, or U, the sound is like a normal G. For example, ga, go, gu. And when the next vowel of G is E or I, the G is going to sound like an American H. For example, he and he. But let's see some examples. Gato. Gato is cat. Gemelo. Gemelo is twin. Gitano. Gitano is gypsy. Gorra. Gorra is cap. Gusano. Gusano is worm. H. This letter is so special because doesn't have a sound. Then, how can I say this word? Hola? No. This is a groan because the H doesn't have a sound. Then you must say hola. Hola. Hola is hello. Or hola is hi. I. Iglesia. Iglesia is church. J. J. Jugar. Jugar is play. K. K. Karaoke. L. L. Loro. Loro is parrot. M. M. Maestra. Maestra is teacher. N. N. Novio. Novio is boyfriend. Okay, this is new. This letter doesn't exist in the English alphabet. Okay, don't worry. Repeat after me. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Amazing. Muy bien. This is ñame. Ñame is jam. O, o, ópera. P, P, padre is father. Padre. Okay. Q. The letter Q is not a single letter. Oh, because she's married to the vowel U. So whenever you use the Q, it should be next to the vowel U. Okay? For example, queso. Queso is cheese. R. R. I know that maybe this letter is a little difficult, but you can practice. R. Like rosa. Rosa is rose. S. S. Sapo. Sapo is frog. T. T. Tiempo. Tiempo is time. U. U is vowel. Uva. Uva is grape. B. B. Vida. At this moment you should ask me, what is the difference between the letter short B and big B? The truth, the sound changes if you speak in Spanish from Spain. For example, in Spain you say V, short B is V, and big B is B. But the truth is, in Latin America, people pronounce these two letters equally. I say vida or burro. For me, is same. These two in Spain is a little different. For that reason, my name is Viviana, but in Spain, the people say me Viviana, but here in Latin America, all people say me Viviana. It's simple. Here, short B and big B is equally. W. W. Waffles. In Spanish, you don't use this letter a lot. I like this letter, X. X. The letter X sounds like a little sneezy. T. Can you repeat that? T. Now, use this sound when you say the word, for example, xilófono, taxi, boxeo, texto, Phoenix, Texas, saxophone. Is easy. Y or Y. Y or Y. This letter has two sounds. The first one sounds like this. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Example, yate, yach, yate. And this is also used to connect words because E is equal to and. In English, for example, Ana and Maria is in Spanish Ana y María. Z, Z, zapatos. Zapatos is shoes. Now you know the 27 letters of the alphabet, but don't go because I need to explain something else. In Spanish, there are 3 occasions where we use the letters in group of 2. 1. Double L. When you see double L, you will pronounce the same as Y. For example, silla. Silla is with double L. Silla is chair. And yate. Yate is with Y. Yate is yacht. The sounds are the same. The only difference is the grammar. Che. The letter che is made up of 2 letters, the letter C and the letter H. We can say that the letter C plus the letter H is equal to the letter che. For example, Chile, double R, double R. When a word starts with the letter R, we will always use a single R. For example, rana, frog, reina, queen, and relot. But if the R is inside the word and not at the beginning, you need to duplicate the letter R. For example, carro, carro is car, and perro, perro is dog. You need to learn to hear the letter R because sometimes the letter R sounds softer, and when this happens, you are going to use a single R, and it doesn't matter if it's in the middle of the word. For example, pera. Pera is pear. Pera is not perra, is pera. Or caro. Caro is expensive. Caro, caro sounds more soft. And carro, carro is car, but caro is expensive. Now we must remember the most important things. 1. The alphabet has 27 letters. 2. In Spanish there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. 3. The letter C has 2 sounds. 4. The letter G also has 2 sounds. 5. The letter H doesn't have a sound. 6. The letter Q is always accompanied by the vowel U. 7. In Spanish, there are 3 occasions where we use the letter in groups of 2. 8. The other letters now you know, and you know that they have only 1 sound.
If you liked this class, I invite you to subscribe, and I hope see you, because in the next video we are going to playing with the letters that today we learned. And if you have problems with a letter, you can say me in the comments, and I will try to make a video about that. And see you soon. Bye bye.